Hi! In the previous video, we've discovered what is whaling and spear fishing for VIP persons. In this video, we are going to learn how to gather emails and phone numbers with Maltego. In this video, we are going to take a look at how Maltego can be used for a social engineering attack, how to extract target email's address with Maltego, how to get a target phone number with Maltego. So let's go and run it. We can find Maltego right here in this panel, so click on it. Now it's running, and when you run it for the first time, a pop-up window appears that will ask you to create your account. You'll be asked to give your email and create a password. So just do that and click next sometimes, until you've got the same screen as I've got now. First of all, Maltego is a great tool to investigate. It lets us to find and discover links between people. That's why cyber intelligence officers, law enforcement, private eyes are very fond of it. From my own experience, I can say that I've discovered a network of fraudsters and de-anonymized some malicious persons for my clients. But let's go practical. First, let's click on this cross in the right corner and create a new graph. So here you can see the space for your graph, and here in the left you can see entity palette. Entity is an item that we will work with. For example, there are a lot of options here. It can be email data, email source, person, phone data, social links, domain, DNS name, IP address, and actually a lot of them. But in our today's demonstration, I will show you how to extract emails and phones number from a domain and how to continue your search then. So for example, let's choose a website. I click on it and grab to the graph. For not breaking anybody's privacy, I won't use here any personal data. For the demonstration, I will use this site www.paterva.com. It's the site of the creator of Maltego, and it's set by default, and the creators of Maltego use it in their demonstration videos, so I'll do the same. Okay, let's right click on it, and now we've got a lot of options here. As we are now looking for email addresses, let's choose this option, email address is found, and run it. Here we are. Now we got the graph, and here are different emails that are somehow connected to www.paterva.com. Is it useful to a malicious hacker? Certainly, because a malicious hacker now can take any email address from here and create a phishing email with social engineer toolkit that we've seen in the previous videos. But we can do even more of that. Maltego gives us possibility to check if the emails really exist and working. For that purpose, let's right click on it and choose option verify email address. If we'd like to gather more information, we can continue with right clicking on an email and go on with email sources option. Actually, any entity in the Maltego can be investigated with these options. And in this way, we can build links between people, emails, phone numbers, URLs, websites, so on. But speaking about social engineering issues, it's actually enough to get an address that is familiar to the target and then use it in a phishing attack. Also, you can try to find a connection between this email and some phone numbers. So let's click on this option to phone number. But as you can see now, machine find no results. And it's possible. Actually, using Maltego always requires persistency and patience. But sometimes you can get a jackpot right from the first click. But sometimes you can spend hours and find nothing. But that's how it's works. And now let's create a new graph and try to work with phone number. Here is the number set by default by Paterva, so I don't think we'll find and it's interesting here, and I won't run it, but just again show how it works. Everything the same. We right click on it and check every option here. And if you wish, we can run all transforms at once. So this is the option all transforms. Beside email, website or a phone number, you also can use a person name. Everything is doing the same way. You just grab it here on your graph and then run transforms you need. As I said, a malicious hacker stops on this stage because he just takes the extracted emails and uses it one by one for a phishing attack. Or he can use phone numbers he found to make a social engineering call, something like that. But if we are speaking about whaling, about VIP hunting, where stakes are very high, a hacker goes further and switches to other sources of information. And first of all, it's social media information. And how they extract information from social media. We'll talk about that in the next video. In this video, we found out how Maltego can be used for a social engineering attack, how to extract email's address with Maltego, how to discover a phone number with Maltego. In the next video, we'll know how to look for secrets in social media with online tools. Let's move ahead.